What's up, everybody? It's your boy Lucky Lou out here in D-Town. When y'all in Dallas, Texas, y'all come mess with my boy, the Dr. G. He gonna have you right and get all the bones straightened out of your neck and your back and have you walking around like you're supposed to be walking around. You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna run a current between me and you. I'll kind of show you how it's gonna work. Look, so I can touch here.
Oh, okay.
You feel that?
Yeah.
And it'll cause the muscles to contract too.
Okay.
Look, flip it over like that.
Like feet in here. I'm just kidding.
I feel like I'm getting electrocuted. Hey, watch out, man. Hold on,
much,
man. Yeah, that's too much. I never had that much.
Hey, you'll never guess who went the highest.
Who?
On this. And you know who? Baby Bash.
Oh,
he
yeah.
kept telling me, go higher, go higher. He said, I don't feel anything, I don't feel anything.
Yeah, he was probably high out of his mind.
Yeah. So, is that okay?
Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, that felt kind of good right there, that one.
All right. So like, it'll get the muscles to relax, and then the adjustment will go easy.
Okay. That's coming from your finger?
Yeah. You said years. It's been years since you've been adjusted, right?
Yeah, it's been a long time.
So it's gonna be a pop, all right?
Oh my god.
Damn, hold up. I ain't never had my neck pop before in my life.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh.
Is that safe?
It's safe, man. All it is, it's not the bone moving in and out of place. It's overstretching the joint capsule, and gas is just coming out. That's what the pop is.
Oh, okay. It's like when you pop your fingers.
That's it. Yeah. Just a little time. I'm just gonna put a little pressure. You tell me if anything's too much. Don't put too much pressure on. Man, all the kids, they all got nice shoes, man. I'm putting a little pressure there, all right? You okay?
Yeah.
All right. You're gonna flip over on your back. Cross like that. You good?
Yeah.
Bend this knee. Bend the knee up. And then just relax. Good. Bend this one there. All right, man. Come on up.
That's it?
That's it, man. Dude, how do you feel?
And I feel relaxed. That electricity thing felt the best. Whatever you was doing with that electricity over there.
Yeah, because muscles relax, decrease inflammation, nerve stimulators, good stuff, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. No problem.